I'm Greg Arnette, co-founder and CEO of CloudTruth. CloudTruth is a new idea in the infrastructure as code configuration management space. We're taking a fresh look at how companies and cloud teams are managing infrastructure provisioning, application configuration, and secret storage with some new thinking around a universal parameters and secret management platform. So we're early into the project, but it's showing some really good promise with our early adopter customers, and we're excited for the opportunity in front of us. Yeah, so Jim and I started collaborating on CloudTruth, very early days. As traditional as founders getting together to start a company, you want to tap into your network and get some feedback. And Jim represented a perfect union of operational experience, sort of leadership and looking ahead type of approach to market opportunities, and sort of grounded in reality in terms of what are pain points that cloud teams and DevOps teams are facing today. So we saw a great opportunity to leverage Jim's experience to augment what we were doing as the founders of the company with our early stage product market fit. So our goal at that time was to reach out and speak to as many, as many practitioners and leaders as possible to get a well-rounded view of how customers are dealing with this pain point today. And so working with Jim was a chance to bring his voice into our product market fit ideation exercises, and it's been hugely helpful to us understanding the market opportunity. For sure. So our work with Jim exceeded our expectations, or far exceeded our expectations, given Jim's understanding of the market, what customers are dealing with, and then also Jim's ability to help us with another area that we didn't really think about up front, which is some engineering management and coaching and leadership capabilities that Jim brought to our team as we were growing and looking at ways of understanding how the team is interacting with each other and leadership and so forth. So we benefited from Jim's expertise in that area as well. We came out of our product market fit phase with a proof of concept, and then we onboarded early adopter customers. So everything worked out great in that respect. And Jim was instrumental in helping us review the analysis from the market, provide his insights and expertise on how to interpret the results, as well as his original organic thinking around this problem, which helped us understand more areas where we could bring value to customers. Yeah, very positive feedback in terms of how you were able to both help us on the engineering management aspect of things, and also the understanding of the problem to solve and our proposed solution. So it was, very positive feedback. Your contributions to our meetings and helping review content, provide feedback on feature functionality, take a deep dive into a certain aspect of the market, and provide your assessment of what's happening, across the spectrum. Very positive feedback from the CloudTruth members that you interacted with, because you interfaced with myself, our co-founder and CTO, our VP of engineering at the time. So you became a unique sort of cross-discipline lens onto what was happening in the org in the early days, made some suggestions on workflow and the ways that we're organizing ourselves for work that we implemented. So that was very helpful. It was very comfortable. It's interesting you bring up discomfort. That never even crossed my mind. I thought it was a unique opportunity to have someone with your skill set and history and your sort of expertise, especially in sort of cloud-based technologies and managing of teams that are responsible for building cloud-based technologies, to have your oversight with us. So it was like an extra, cherry on top, so to speak, given that we started off with our work with you more in the area of helping us analyze our product market fit research. And it also turned into an area where your operational and people management expertise could help us out as well. So you became a unique lens across sort of how the co-founders and the VP of engineering, not so much in terms of interacting, but maybe seeing things from a little bit of a different perspective than we saw ourselves. So you brought a new lens, a new perspective to the conversation. That was very helpful. Great question. So enthusiastic, accomplished, yeah, smart on a wide range of areas and disciplines, which I thought was very, both on the technology side, but also on the kind of process and people management side of things. Typically, I've seen folks are more kind of wired towards one or the other, but you have that unique combination of having, both areas as a level of accomplishment that we benefited from, certainly. Yeah, well, I could do 11. I do 11. So, solid 10.